Here we're going to look at topic 10, section 2, or example 2, sketch the graph of a linear equation in standard form. What is the graph of 3x minus 2y equals 9? So first thing we want to do is recognize that this is in standard form, and we want to find the intercepts. All right, so whenever you're dealing with standard form, the best thing you can do is find the intercepts. It's set up very nicely for us, so we'll be able to go through that. So let's start with the x-intercept. And if you were to think about any points that are on the x-axis, right, the x-intercepts, what's true is that y is always 0. So like this point here would be 1, 0, this would be 3, 0, 6, 0, negative 4, 0, and so on. And what you'll see is that y is always equal to 0. So what we can do when we're looking for the x-intercept in the equation 3x minus 2y equals 9, we're going to set y equal to 0. And now we do 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 9, and we solve for x. So 3x minus 0, 3x equals 9, and then we would divide by 3. So x is equal to 3. That's going to be my x-intercept. So my x-intercept is 3, 0. And you would do the same thing, or similar thing, for finding the y-intercept. If you're looking for the y-intercept, and if we look at this y-axis, if we were to focus on all the points there, right, you have like 0, 2. You have 0, 5. You have negative 4. Sorry, 0, negative 4. 0, negative 4. All of your x values are 0 along the y-axis or for your y-intercept. So when you're looking for the y-intercept in the equation 3x minus 2y equals 9, you're going to set x equal to 0. So we'd have 3 times 0 minus 2y equals 9, and then we can simplify or solve. Be careful when you have this negative. It's not just 2y, it's negative 2y. One of the most common mistakes would be dropping that negative, so be careful. Divide both sides by negative 2, and y would be equal to negative 4.5. So my y-intercept is 0, negative 4.5. So that's it for solving for the intercepts. We now have the x-intercept and the y-intercept, and what we can do is we can plot those. So 3, 0, sorry about that, 3, 0 is going to be right here. All right, so we're taking this x-intercept, and we're going to plot that point there. And then my y-intercept, 0, negative 4.5, that's going to be between negative 4 and negative 5. So we'll plot that point right there. So that's my y-intercept. Let's highlight all of this. There we go. And then from here, I just need to connect my dots. All right, and that'll give me my line. So we'll try to make this as accurate as we can. Close enough. And we now have the graph of 3x minus 2y equals 9. So anytime you're given standard form and you need to graph it, find the x and the y intercepts. To find the x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. To find the y-intercept, set x equal to 0 and solve for y. You'll then have the two intercepts, plot those, connect the dots, and you have your graph.